So it's a very useful technique to get things done really quickly. Now, we want to see which of them are the most popular, right? We could go through this and just look at the numbers and grab the highest numbers. But the pivot table can actually do that for us by filtering. So we're going to go to the row labels, right? Because we're interested in the topping. So that's my rows. And I'm going to click on this little drop down here, and we can see we can add filters for a lot of different things, right? So for example, I want to know which are the most popular, right? So I'm going to go by the sum of quantity that I have here. And that means that I need to go to the value filters, right? That means these are the filters for the values that we're using, right? In this case, the sum of quantity. At the very bottom, we have the option for top 10, right? So I'm going to click there, and I can choose, I want to see the top 10, or I can go down and make this just 5. And bam, I have the top 5 pizza toppings, right? All of that with just a few clicks, right? We didn't have to do any typing, right? Well, except maybe just selecting your data. That was probably the hardest part of this whole thing, right? Just highlighting all